What's going on YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades where I bring you daily AMC technical analysis, price predictions, and of course, the latest greatest news. It'd be absolutely amazing if all you guys could hit that like button and subscribe. So guys, I do have to say apologies for not posting yesterday. I was working on the build and so far everything is coming out good. We're not quite done, but we're getting there, and then I will have a faster computer. So extremely pumped and excited for this to be finalized. And we're almost there. I'll keep you guys posted on this. But anyways, guys, AMC. What a day. So, of course, guys, we are still a little ways off to where we once were in that $50 and $60 region. But, however, guys, we are really starting to make a run-up. So, a few things we're going to look into today. Technical analysis, price predictions for tomorrow and the rest of the week. And, of course, we're going to look into FOMO buying and why I really think that this is going to take us to all-time highs. All right, so to start off the morning, we did gap up just a little bit. It was only just about a percent or two, nothing too crazy. Of course, had a nice push in the morning where we did trade sideways for a little bit. However, around 11:30 today, that's where things started to get interesting. We did take another leg up. Getting into the just about the $40 range where we got rejected one time. And that level at $40 was more of a psychological price level that we did want to break into. And of course, we got rejected once. But as you can see, guys, traded sideways for a little bit through early afternoon. And then right into close, guys, we had a great end to the day. We passed right through that $40 region and actually came up and almost tested that, and I'll actually zoom out a little bit here. We almost tested that $45 range, which again is a psychological level. So we did get rejected, which is totally fine. Similar to what exactly happened at $40. So my predictions are, I think we're going to continue this upward trend, and especially as we get into the 1 hour, 1 day chart, we can see the technicals really playing on our side here. So overall, very decent day. As you guys can see, AMC buyers were extremely bullish today because we did test the overbought area not once, not twice, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times throughout the day, guys. And of course, coming in here at the OBV, guys, of course, this has been literally flat for the past couple of days. But guys, this was on a tear today, so that's great to see. Anyways, we're going to jump over to the 1 hour chart and really just take a look at the bigger picture. Of course, whenever Webull decides to load for me. So, of course, guys, we do get this cup formation here, which does look very good. It looks like we found our support right about at $32. The beautiful thing, and I'll draw this out for you guys, that I'm seeing is literally this double bounce here that we had. And I'll draw that right there. Only having one instance of going below this, but it was for a very small amount of time. So that is really great. And of course, our top level of resistance is going to be that, call it 62, 63, even $65 level, somewhere in that range. That is really my goal to see AMC get back into. And since we have already tested this area quite a few times, we should be able to break through this no problem and have all-time highs coming to us within, I would say, the next 2 to 3 weeks. And I'm extremely bullish on the beginning of August, and that's where I think things are going to absolutely go on a tear. Looking at the technicals down here, yes, of course, since we have had this upward momentum, we are just about getting into the overbought region. But guys, that's really where things start to get interesting. As we can see here on our last run up, when we were at 14, I believe it was, yeah, just about $14, RSI was actually all the way up here at just about 70, call it 69.76. So that's when we went from $14 all the way to 72. So don't let the RSI persuade anything here, guys. Of course, MACD did have the crossover. And volume is starting to pick up again, guys. So that is great. All right. Last chart we're going to look at before we get into some of the news is the 1 day. So, of course, I love to see this big, giant green candle. That is actually been so nice to see, and especially seeing that we've held that $32 range, which actually was resistance going back prior to that $72 run up. So I love to see that. We take a look down here on the MACD. Of course, this giant arc that we saw here, it did play out, and this played out actually a lot better than I actually thought. I thought we were going to actually come down back into maybe $25. I was thinking somewhere around, yeah, 25 right here. But guys, we held $32. So that was extremely bullish to see. So looking down here, MACD has gotten flat, which is really great. And you see all these red bars. Now we're actually starting to decrease, which shows that we're actually having a very bullish reversal on AMC, and things are going to start to pick up. RSI, it did bounce at one of the lowest ranges we saw, which was 34. We have not seen 34 on the RSI scale since before the first $20 run up, guys. So to see that, it was absolutely amazing. And I know a lot of people are going to say I don't believe in the TA for AMC, but I'm going to argue with you tooth and nail because, and I'm going to get to my my reasons later. But guys, there's other people buying AMC besides for the apes who are really just buying and holding. There are day traders, there are swing traders, and what they're looking for are technical levels. These technical levels are really going to work in our favor, especially when the MACD is about to have a major crossover, when RSI is the lowest it's been in literally over 6 months, and OBV is looking unbelievably healthy. So guys, regardless of what you say, I believe the TA is still important. Of course, it's not everything because there are a lot of things behind the scenes going on, but it is a real good gauge to see what's going to happen in the next couple of days. So that's really it for the TA. If you guys have questions at all about any of this, definitely drop some comments. I'll be responding to everyone today. But anyways, guys, FOMO buying is at its greatest. So one thing I found super interesting, and I'm just on Google Trends here, is AMC hitting, and this is just the search term here, tracking volume, 100 being the highest, 0 being the lowest. Tracking when we hit 100 on the volume scale for search volume. Guys, January 24th through the 30th. What happened there? And I was actually, it was actually ridiculous. So, guys, right around that time, we had that first run up. January 24th is when really we started tracking up, and boom. All right, now we're going to go over here. This was May 30th through June 5th. And of course, I hope you guys remember what exactly happened here. That is June 2nd when we had the run up, and the end of May when we started stair-stepping our way up, guys. So it's funny to see how the volume in search for AMC actually really relates to our run-ups. So a few things on Google Trends here. Now this isn't going to be perfect, but it looks like we did hit our low point here of 36, and we're actually slowly starting to track up. So that means more and more people are getting on Google, searching for AMC, and really trying to learn about this movement. So guys, be kind to all the new apes. Try to lend out information for all of you OG apes out there to really help this out. So that was something really interesting that I found, and why I think that this quote-unquote FOMO buying is actually really going to help our movement here, guys. Anyways, I know a lot of people were talking about this. What was trending on Twitter today? AMC short squeeze. So that was also beautiful to see. And of course, when AMC has really good days, the media literally goes black and does not post any articles. So I find that so unbelievably funny. But anyways, guys, I really think that AMC is going to continue on the rise, and we are going to have a phenomenal week, but also a phenomenal next couple of weeks, especially after what we've been seeing here. So today was the start of it all, guys, and I really am extremely bullish on AMC. Of course, even reaching $100 doesn't change my mindset here. Reaching $200, $300, $400, it doesn't matter, guys. Until shorts cover, I am not leaving, and I will not stop posting until that very day. But anyways, guys, if you like that video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and tune in for the next one. All right, peace.